Hello everyone, my name is Rashi and in this video we will see what are joins and their types and when to use which joins. Now imagine, it's the biggest event of the year, your college fest. You are organizing committee and things are chaotic. You have got one list of students who have registered for the fest, another list of students who have paid the registration fee. Now you are scratching your head trying to figure out who is fully confirmed, who still owes money, and wait, who paid but didn't even register. Sounds messy, right? But don't worry, SQL joins are here to save the day. They are like your superpower to connect the list and make sense of it all. So basically, what is a join? A join in SQL is used to combine two or more than two tables based on a common column. And this common column is usually a primary key in one table and foreign key in another table. Types of joins are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. So here is one example to understand you the concept of joins. There are two tables. Table 1 is registered students table and table 2 is paid students table. Now, what is inner join? It returns records that have matching values in both the records. Now, when to use inner join? When you want matching records from both the table, you can use inner join. Here, this query shows only students who are both in registered table and paid table, and they are your confirmed attendees. What is left join? Left join returns all the rows of the table on the left side of the join and matching rows for the table on the right side of the join. When to use left join? Use it when you want all rows from the first, that is left table, including unmatched rows. Great for scenarios where you need to see everything from first table even if there is no match in second. Here in example, I have used left join when I want to see all registered students, even those who haven't paid yet. So here all registered students are included. Priya and Sneha didn't pay, so their payment amount shows as null. This is great for tracking unpaid registration. What is right join? Right join returns all the rows of the table on the right side of the join and matching rows for the table on the left side of the join. When to use right join? When you want all the rows from the second table, even if they don't match the first table. Here in example, use right join if you want to focus on payments, even if some payments don't match any registration. By seeing this output, this shows all payment records, even if some don't match any registered students. For example, student ID 6 paid but didn't register. What is outer join? The result set will contain all the rows from both tables. For the rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain null values. When to use full outer join? When you want all rows from both table, whether they match or not, you can use full outer join. Here in example, full outer join includes everyone. It's perfect for creating a master report that shows all students whether they are registered, paid, or both. Thank you.